Starting the seeds right now. Getting ready to put these on the cover. Just some little clear covers right here. First I gotta bury them, put the seeds in, putting in all these sweet peppers, cantaloupes, sweet banana peppers, another form of cantaloupes right here, different type, some squash, and a shitload of watermelon seeds that I've been collecting from my previous grows. So I'm throwing in a few of these, about 2 dozen. I put 2 seeds per hole. That way, you know, chances of germination are good. At least getting one plant out of it, and then I'll pick out the plant I want, and then I'll pinch the other one off, whichever one is stronger. And yeah, that's pretty much it, man. I've already put in some squash and cantaloupe seeds. Area. And my little berry. You just make sure you just put the dirt over the top of it. Nothing special. Because you know when you water it in, it's gonna collapse the dirt anyway. But you just want to put it on there enough to cover it up. Push some seeds down in there. Just gently do it. You don't really need to do that forceful to it. Push some seeds in. Cover them up. Just some of this dirt is already wet, so I'm not going to try to water it in. I'm just going to leave it like that. And the closer I get down here, this dirt is a little bit wet right here. I watered it in a couple days before because the soil was a little dry. So I was waiting for it to settle in there. Didn't realize it. It probably was going to be still wet today. That's fine. Cover her up. Yeah. That's it. Get your ass. What? Don't make me. I know this is tedious, guys, but it's really not, man. It's calm. It's relaxing. It's just relaxing doing this. You know? And then in my next video, I'm going to show you guys. Another method that I use with some egg cartons. Right? We've been getting good egg production this year, so I have some extra cartons. You know, I wanted to separate because we're going to end up using all them cartons this year. Because, you know, chicken productions, egg productions get back up there. Give you guys a walk through my chicken coop. This is like 5 years I've had this chicken coop. Well, 3 of them. 5 years I've had my chickens. And I just take my seeds once I dry them out. That paper that's in there is to absorb moisture. And it's been working pretty good. They pretty dry. Yeah, these are my seeds I've harvested from all the watermelons I grew. I'm going to do the same thing here. So the next batch, try to make sure I always keep a generation or 2 of seeds, because you never know, man. One season you might produce some badass watermelons. You want them genetics. You know, you want to be able to go back and sample that shit again. But yeah, that's what I did. And yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a run through, give you guys a walkthrough of everything I do every season, because we try to plant something every season. And we've been pretty successful. This is our mealworm and our nightcrawler farms. We make our own compost. Yep. So, yeah, that's about it. You guys take it easy. Salute to the real ones.